Let me show you how to upgrade your Corsa AI account. This is super easy. Guys, once you're inside Corsa AI, just simply go ahead and click on the dashboard at the top there. You have agent and you have dashboard. Then once you're here, you'll see your current plan that you have, and you will see that you have two other plans that you can upgrade to. So you can go ahead and you can get started, get a 14-day trial period for the Pro. So you can click here to start that, or if you want to upgrade it to the Ultra as well, you can do so. Whichever one you want, just go ahead and click on that. So let's say I want to get the Ultra, I can click on that. It's going to proceed, take me over to the payment section, and I can upgrade to get the Ultra. And for the Pro, all you have to do is just really go ahead and start your free trial. As you see there, you're able to start a free trial for the Pro version as well. Another way that you can quickly upgrade as well, if you click on settings on the left hand side, you will see that it shows you that, okay, usage based on price settings. You can click directly from here and you can proceed to Pro. That's going to take you over where you can quickly get started and get the 14-day free trial that you can get, and you can start. As you can see, it shows you here. You just need to enter your card details. It will not charge you, and you can just click start and you can get it for free and start using the free trial of Corsa AI here. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. That's how you can go ahead and you can upgrade your account and Corsa AI.